Welcome, in front of me is a Motorola Moto E13 and today I will show you how you can record screen on this device. So to get started, let's pull down our notifications, then pull down once more to extend the list, swipe to the side and you will find your screen recorder toggle. So once you see it, you can simply tap on it. There is very little settings here, so that's basically all we have. Record audio, either device, microphone, or both. And obviously if it's off, then it's not going to record anything. And below that, show touches on the screen, which will record a semi-transparent gray dot wherever your finger was pressing the display. I'll enable it just so you can see how that looks like. From there we can select start and we'll begin a countdown, after which obviously it's going to start recording. So whatever you open up, any kind of app, will be recorded right now, with a little caveat. So some apps will not be recorded, like Spotify. Not Spotify, what am I saying? Like Netflix. Primarily, most of, I believe, the streaming apps for like TV shows and movies will block screen recorders. So you will have a sound, because I presume they have no way of blocking that. But in terms of like screen, you will just have a black screen. Anyway, once you save the screen recording or stop it, it gets automatically saved. And you can find it from there in your Photos application, or gallery as it's called right here. And you can see it right at the top. So that's the screen recording. And you can see the little dot just like swiping out across. So there we go. That's how it looks like. Now anyway, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.